Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I thought I would take you through some of the things that I've purchased from the Iconic recently. So let's just jump right into it. Before we do though, please don't forget to subscribe, turn the bell icon on and like the video if you enjoyed it. So the first couple of things I'm going to run through today are some jewelry pieces. So I've bought these little slip earrings. I initially bought these to put into my second piecing, but that has unfortunately closed now. So these were actually quite an investment, but they are just like the most beautiful kind of incognito type of earring, and I really like them. I've been able to wear them without taking them out for a couple of days now. I shower with them, I sleep with them, and they're quite comfortable. So yeah, that was a really good purchase. Similar to these, I have also bought a pair of earrings that have like a little star on them, and they're also in kind of the same shape as the ones that I've got right now. And they're also really nice. I have been wearing them quite a lot, but they aren't as comfortable as the ones I've got in my ears right now. The third piece of jewelry that I've recently purchased from the Iconic is this necklace, and it is a gold necklace with my initial on it. This is also very comfortable. I have been able to wear it for hours without any irritation, which is new for me because I am very sensitive to jewelry. So if you are looking for an initial necklace that is really good, I would definitely recommend this one. Now moving on to some clothing pieces. The first thing I've got here is a Tommy Hilfiger jumper. I've actually needed a good pair of I've actually needed some good jumpers because it is getting really cold, and I chose this one because I feel like Tommy Hilfiger is like a really trustworthy brand. I like it because it's like really thin but really warm as well, and it has like a little cuff on the sleeve which is really good to keep the warmth in. The inside material is really nice and soft as well, and it's actually the perfect fit. So I got this in the size large and it fits me perfectly, and I usually style this up with a pair of jeans, or if you could do it with trousers if you hiked up the waist. I think this would look really nice high-waisted as well. So the next thing I got from the Iconic was this dress, and it is kind of a midi length dress with some button detail down the middle. I chose this dress because it's definitely my type of style. It's black and it's long sleeved, and the sleeves are a little bit sheer, but I think I will be sending this one back just because it's like a material that you do have to, it's quite like a high maintenance material. I know you can't see it on the screen right now, but hopefully you can see it better in the cutaways. But it's just like, it feels like it's way too high maintenance. I don't think I would ever, because I'm not the type of person that would ever iron clothes, so it fits really well. The sizing is really great, but it's just, I don't know, it's really wrinkly, and I don't think that I am like disciplined enough to iron it. So the next thing I have is really similar to that dress, but it is a blouse, and it's just a black blouse with that same button detailing down the middle. It's a v-neck, and I thought it would look really beautiful with like a pair of jeans, high-waisted pair of jeans, and it certainly will. And if this material was different, I would 110% keep this, but the material again is like one that needs to be ironed, and I am just not the type of person. I've just had to come to terms with it, that I'm just not the type of person that irons clothes, and I will be returning this one. The next thing I got was this kind of faux leather midi skirt, and it is really nice. It was $40, but I don't know, I don't really feel this one, but I think that if you want it, the best thing would be to style it with some stockings and like a really nice blouse. I usually do like an all black outfit, but I change the texture, so I would have like a nice pair of boots on, and then also the skirt, some stockings, and then I might just do like lots and lots of gold jewelry and a just simple top, and it looks really elegant and really classic. I just don't think I will be getting a lot of wear out of this one, so I am going to return it. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite pieces. Definitely keeping this one. This is a cardigan. It is really like warm but thin material, and I'm in love with the gold detailing that this has on it. So this is, oops, oh my god, I almost hit myself in the head. Maybe I should take this out. So I usually style this again with a lot of gold jewelry because it matches the hardware on this, and a pair of high-waisted jeans would look absolutely incredible, and this is definitely one that I will be keeping. So that is the end of my iconic haul. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, again, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video, and let me know what you thought in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!